Hi, I'm Andy from Great Lakes Technical Service. Here we're achieving a black mark on stainless steel using a 30-watt Cloudray laser fitted with a 300mm lens. The video is running at 8 times actual speed and the job was completed in approximately 8 minutes. The settings used are shown in the video.
Black mark on stainless steel, a testament to power, something real. Laser machines, all types you'll find, from 30 watts and beyond. They'll blow your mind. Laser storm.